hating on you with their friends, but you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. And my NY girls, let me see your hands. When you met them bitches hating on you with their friends, but you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. And my LA girls, let me see your hands. When you met them bitches hating on you with their friends, but you got it. Let them know that everything big. Nails done, hair done, everything big. And my T.O.
Yeah, can we relate? Can we relate? Yeah, can we debate? Yeah, but I want debate. Yeah, I took the cake. Yeah, all about cake. Yeah, can we relate? Can we relate?
Hey everyone, my name is Anaya, aka Theo TV. If you're a returning watcher on my channel, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. And if you are new, what's poppin'? I hope you are able to hit that subscribe button by the end. As you all can see, I will be doing another press on nail video. If you are looking for some affordable press on nails to do at home for a little date, for an outing, this is the perfect video for you. I am providing some light pink nails. Bright colors is for the spring and also the summer. I'll make sure I put these nails in the description down below. It is called Kiss Gel Fantasy. I have done a video on Kiss before. If you are new, I'll just make sure I put all my press on nail videos in the description down below so you know how I roll this process. As you all can see right now, I'm just showing all the materials that I use in every one of my press on nail videos. So without further ado, I'm just about to hop right into it. If you are new, please make sure to hit that subscribe button by the end of this video and enjoy. Alright y'all, as you all can see, here is the final look of the nails. I have no complaints. I am highly satisfied with these press-on nails. I will give it a 12 out of 10. Looks very pretty on my hands. I just love my hands in general. When my nails is done, it just make me feel like a whole new bomb chick. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below if you're going to be purchasing these nails. What type of color do you like to wear in the spring or summer, or anything just relating to this video. And I'll just see y'all next week. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. I'll greatly appreciate it, and comment down below so I know you have joined the Dior fam. And I'll just see y'all next week. For the remaining of the video, you'll just see the final look of the nails on a Snapchat filter. And yeah, see y'all.